here, and today I am doing a video on aeroplane essentials because if you didn't know already, I am going to New York with my family in a few weeks' time. So this is everything that I have packed myself for my holiday. So let's get started. Just a disclaimer, it isn't my suitcase, it's my travel stuff. So I am taking this travelling bag this year because we are only going for 6 days. And so it's only a little rucksack and it's only a 5-hour flight, so yeah. So starting with what's in the front compartment of it, I have only got my sunglasses. Now, I only use these sunglasses when I'm on holiday. Well, when I've just got off the aeroplane and I can just pop them on. And I put them in the front compartment because then you don't have to root through a big bag in the middle section. So the next thing, I have got 2 pom-poms on the big pouch of mine. One is a Jojo Siwa bow pom-pom and another one's from Superdrug. Now let's get to opening it. So in here I have got some foam. I have got amethyst blush putty. I have got super scarabab putty. I have got super lava putty. So they're only because I want something to hold on to when I'm on the aeroplane. Just to show you guys. No? The fun fact about this one, it changes colour by heat. So let's take it. Then the foam. This is really fun to play with. So I've only got them just to squeeze around with. Now I've got bits that you'd need. I've got this EOS, which is a lip balm. I have got this pink EOS lip balm again. The reason I have got these two is because my lips get dead dry on the aeroplane, so I keep these two in handy. Now I have got my phone. Now I won't use my phone on the aeroplane. I will mainly use my camera like I've got now, but this is just in case I get any, say, emails or anything. It's just, and for Snapchat and Instagram. Follow me, Snapchat, Instagram will be down below, and Musically down below. And so yeah, this is just in handy. It's an iPhone 4S, and now I've got some deodorant because I stink. Yeah, always handy, and that's all I've got for now. But I feel like I need more. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to show you some of the things that I've planned to do for New York and all of that. So I'll show you now. So guys, these are the things that I would like to do in New York. First I'm going to start with the things that I do before I get to New York. So I've already highlighted one of them. It says pack for New York. Now, I've just shown you my pack of New York. old iPad. We're taking that and adding movies onto it. So, smart family. Now, then I go to the American airport, which I am actually really excited for. Then another thing is, we're going on the subway. Now we're going on the subway as soon as we get from the airport, I think. Because then we are going and going to our hotel. Now, all the things that I want to do when I'm there. Carlo's Bakery. If any of you don't know, Carlo's Bakery it's got like a lot of bake shops in New York, New Jersey, and all them places. And it's off a show called Cake Boss. If you have watched that show, comment down below. Like saying I've watched the show and all that. And the next thing I want to go to Dough. Now, if you don't know what Dough is, it's a cookie dough shop where it sells cookie dough in like ice cream scoops. So I would like to go there. If you don't have time to go there, I'll just make cookie dough myself. Now, see Statue of Liberty. Now, I have wanted to see the Statue of Liberty for nearly the whole of my life. It's so exciting to see it. Then go to Central Park. I'm so excited to go. And all that. So yeah. And then the last thing is the most thing I'm excited for is eating lots of pizza. Now New York is known for pizza. It is known for most like fast food, so I am so excited to go. So guys, if you have ever been to New York, comment down below. And if you want to see me vlogging New York, I will. Just comment down below and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It'll be down here at some point. And yeah, I'm sorry if it's been a dead short